Welcome to Rotaract Radio, your daily dose of Rotaract information from Rotaract Club of Vizag Champions. Have you ever thought if Rotaract is a youth led organization, why do Rotary policies matter to Rotaractors? Let's find out. Rotaract operates within a framework connected to Rotary International. That means certain Rotary International policies can directly affect in how Rotaract clubs complete BQ, operate, govern themselves, and conduct their activities. One important area is membership. Rotary International establishes NIT being the framework under which Rotaract membership and Rotaract clubs operate. Another area is club governance. Rotaract clubs need to follow their applicable constitution, bylaws, and relevant Rotary policies when making important decisions. Rotary policies can also affect club formation, leadership, financial responsibilities, youth protection, and other areas depending on the specific policy. For example, if a project involves children or young people, applicable safeguarding and youth protection requirements may become especially important. Similarly, if a club is handling significant funds, good financial controls, transparency, and proper documentation become essential. But here's an important distinction. Rotary policy does not mean Rotary controls every decision made by a Rotaract club. Rotaract clubs still have room to develop their own identity, plan projects, conduct fellowship, and innovate within the applicable framework. Think of it this way: Rotary policies create the boundaries. Within those boundaries, Rotaractors can van, create, now, lead be, experiment, and serve. Another important point: policies can change. Rotary International regularly reviews and updates its policies to respond to changing needs and improve organizational governance. That's why Rotaract leaders should not rely only on old documents or information from previous years. They should always check the current applicable policies and governing documents. So, why should Rotaractors understand Rotary policies? Because knowing the rules helps leaders make better decisions, avoid unnecessary conflicts. 9028 in the this all protect their members, manage resources responsibly, and lead with confidence. In simple terms, you don't need to be a legal expert to lead a Rotaract club, but you should know which rules apply, who has authority, and where to find the correct information. Because effective leadership isn't just about having great ideas, it's about turning those ideas into action responsibly, ethically, and within the rules. Thank you for listening to Rotaract Radio. Ivan Dara's team Dremanger Yogskure. Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, Hadime, Hadiman, and keep leading.